Hello students, let us see certain important Viva questions for the topic determination of molecular masses. The first question, name one method employed for determination of molecular weight of non-volatile compounds. It is Rast method. Second is, what is the basic principle of Rast method? See what happens when a pure substance, that is solvent, it is mixed with a non-volatile solute. The melting point of this mixture lowers down than that of the pure compound, which is known as depression in freezing point. Now this extent of depression in freezing point basically depends upon the molecular mass of the solute which you are adding. And that is what is the principle of this method. As far as the molecular mass of the solute is concerned, which results in depression of freezing point, can be calculated by help of this formula. So molecular mass of solute is equal to 1000 into Kf into W divided by capital W into delta Tf. Kf here is molar depression constant. We'll also see what do you mean by molar depression constant. The small w stands for weight of the solute which you are taking, and capital W stands for weight of the solvent which has been taken. Okay, as far as delta Tf is concerned, it is the observed depression in freezing point. So on the same basis, on the same track, see the next question, define molar depression constant, that is Kf. So it is the depression in freezing point of 1 molar solution in the solvent. Or in the other way, you can understand it in this way, that is, it is the depression in freezing point which is produced by dissolving 1 gram mole of the solute in 1000 gram of the solvent. Then name the common solid solvents used in Rast method. Generally there are two solid solvents which are commonly used, that is camphor and diphenyl. The next question is, what is the main advantage of Rast method? See, main advantage of Rast method is it does not require complicated apparatus, and melting points may be determined with ordinary thermometer in this case. See the last question there. Can this method be employed for determination of molecular weight of all types of non-volatile compounds? No. This method can be employed only for those compounds, that is solutes, which can dissolve in molten camphor, which do not react with camphor, which do not decompose at melting point, and neither it undergoes association or dissociation in camphor. Okay, so only with reference to that particular non-volatile compounds you can work out this Rast method. So that are some important questions related to this. Thank you.